Hello, my name is Lindsay Mahler, and today we'll be talking about 3 topics touched on in Module 4, starting with constructivism, which is active learning with constructive processes. Here, new information is linked to prior knowledge, and mental representation in this section are subjective. The next thing we touch on is the cognitive load theory, which focuses on the working memory during instruction. It was created by John Swalter, who first describes the different types of memory and how both are interrelated, because he believed that schemas held in long-term memory, acting as a central executive, directly affect the manner in which information is synthesized in the working memory. There are 3 types of this. First, the intrinsic cognitive load theory, which deals with inherently difficult. This is when something is not easy to grasp. The next is extraneous cognitive load theory, which is under the control of instructional designers and is presented in learners in multiple ways. And lastly, the germane cognitive load theory, which has to deal with processing, construction, and automation of schemas. Finally, the multimedia theory is based on 3 main assumptions. The first, there are 2 separate channels, audio and visual. The second, there is a limited channel capacity. Third, learning is an active process of filtering, selecting, organizing, and integrating information. It was created by Richard E. Mayer. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed.